I, like many others, have trouble waking up in the morning, especially because I'm up all night watching videos on YouTube. YouTubing. Just kidding? But seriously, these days, I use 5 alarm clocks. You heard me right, 5 alarm clocks. They don't work for me these days. You might be asking yourself, why do I need 5 alarm clocks? These days, I turn them off without noticing, which is the reason I need 5 to wake me up. I can sleep through pretty much anything, especially with these 5 alarm clocks running.
The following takes place between 7 a.m. and 7:15 a.m. The following takes place between 7:15 a.m. and 7:45 a.m. The following takes place between 8 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. The following takes place between 8:30 a.m. and 8:48 a.m. The following takes place between 9:35 a.m. and 9:48 a.m.
So as you guys can tell, I'm a heavy sleeper. So here's a question for you guys. Do you have trouble waking up in the morning like I do? And do you use 5 alarm clocks or more, or maybe less? Do you also turn off your alarm clocks like I do? Put a comment down below and tell me why you guys have trouble waking up.